Want to know if someone restricted you on Instagram? Then in today's video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily find it out. First thing first, move into your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, head over to your chat section at the bottom of the screen. Move into the inbox of one of the person. At the very top right below their username, you should see their active status. But for that, your active status must be turned on as well. Well, if you see the active status option, then you are not restricted. But if you usually see it, then now if you do not see it, then they might have restricted you. Well, the next thing you can try doing is send them a message. Once sent, and if you are left undelivered for too many hours, then you might be restricted as well. Now try heading over to their profile. Move into one of the posts and comment anything. Once you have commented, now go ahead and open any one of your Instagram account and check whether the comment is there or not. If the comment is not showing in another account, then you might have been restricted. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.